The Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh Refrigerator Air Filter is a simple product meant to help keep your fridge smelling better. It uses baking soda, which we all know can absorb odors. It's a small container that you just place inside your refrigerator. The idea is that it will neutralize the smells from food, so your fridge doesn't have that mixed food odor. You don't need any complicated installation. Just open the package and put it in. It's a basic item, not a high-tech computer or a piece of luggage. It's more like a small, helpful gift for your kitchen. You'll need to replace it every 30 days or so, which is clearly stated on the packaging. The transaction for this item is usually straightforward, and shipping is typical for online or store purchases. Using the Arm & Hammer fridge filter has been a noticeable improvement for me. Previously, strong smells, especially from leftovers, would linger in my fridge. Now, those odors are significantly reduced. It doesn't eliminate all smells, but it does make a difference. It's a practical solution for keeping things fresh. I haven't experienced any damage or issues with the container itself. It's a simple plastic design. It doesn't change the temperature or how your food stays fresh. Just the smell. It's not like a fancy water filter that changes the taste of your sip. It's just about odor control. For anyone who wants a more pleasant smelling refrigerator, the Arm & Hammer fridge filter is a good choice. It's not expensive, and it's easy to use. The review is generally positive because it does what it claims. It's not a miracle worker, but it helps. The replacement process is also simple. Just buying a new one. If you're tired of unpleasant fridge odors, give the Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh Refrigerator Air Filter a try. It's a low-effort way to improve your kitchen experience. Pros: removes bad odors, easy suction cup, saves fridge space, lasts about 45 days. Date reminder. Space: good for mini fridges, kitchen odor control, effective at task, good for diaper genie. Great for refrigerator. Cons: suction cup failure, price increase, missed installation option, hit or miss suction. Expiration in 30 days, problem filtering reviews, stock runs low, may not be optimal placement. Reliability of suction, not perfect odor control features. Odor absorption, baking soda power, food freshness, easy install, long-lasting, air circulation, reduced spoilage, compact design, fridge deodorizer, filter replacement. The Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh Filter uses baking soda to absorb fridge odors, helping food stay fresh longer. It's designed to improve air circulation, which can reduce food spoilage. The compact filter is easy to install and lasts for a while. Acting as a deodorizer, you'll need to replace it eventually. The Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh Filter aims to eliminate bad smells in your refrigerator and small spaces like diaper pails, using a suction cup to stick to surfaces and saving space. It's designed to last around 45 days, with a spot to write down when you installed it. Some people find it works well for odor control, but others have problems with the suction cup not sticking, the filter not lasting as long as promised, and the price being too high. Also, the filter might not completely get rid of all smells, and sometimes it's hard to find in stores.